If the androids hadn't shown up, this place would have more people. I can feel power surging through me! Ah! There's so much energy in this!
Look at you. You're throwing a little temper tantrum because you lost the game.
Shut the hell up! I don't want to hear a peep from you!
17, 18! This is it! This is the day you finally pay for what you've done!
Trunks. So you're alive, huh? Makes sense, I guess. You always were a little too dumb to give up.
17, I'm in a really bad mood. I know you want to mess with him, but I'm just gonna kill him right now. 'Cause he's annoying as hell.
It won't be as fun without him around. But sure, okay. Go for it, 18.
This has gone on far too long. Ever since you two first appeared, every day has been like hell as we struggled to survive.
So what's your point?
The versions of you I met when I traveled to the past were actually kind of nice. But here, you've done nothing but destroy towns and cities and murder countless people. You're gonna pay for it!
Oh my god, would you shut up?
Let's do this! This is it! Take this!
What the hell? Why am I struggling like this?
I'm not like I was when you fought me before.
Damn. Now you're really asking for it. Like I'm about to let that happen.
This is it! Take this!
Let's go!
You won't get away!
Wow, 18. You're getting kinda sloppy.
Damn it! I've had enough of this little punk.
I'll take both of you on at the same time!
What's going on? Something's different about him.
Let's do this! You two are finally going to meet your end! You hear me?
You're crazy if you think that's gonna happen.
Let's kill him, 17.
Take this! Well, you finally get what it's like to suffer like your victims?
I'll suffer? Are you serious?
Don't let him get to you, 17. There's no way he could beat us. Look around!
This is it! This is it! Take this!
What? What's with this power?
What? Your father's power? What the hell are you even talking about?
Look alive!
Let's see you try to run away.
What's this?
You're still the same brat you've always been. I think you're gonna meet your end.
I'm not letting you go this way.
I can still fight! This is it! Take this!
Look alive! die just like the rest.
Let's see you try to run away from this.
What's this?
Guess that was all just talk earlier. You are not surviving this.
What? Get out of here!
Get alive.
Here it comes!
There's nowhere to...
I'm not letting you go too.
I can still fight!
Try to keep
no
up,
escaping
okay?
this.
Check on this. No!
This is it! Get out of here!
Not bad.
We'll buy you.
Right! Now it's time to pay you back for everything you've done!
We're losing. We're actually losing.
Buy you.
Take this!
We're at full power, damn it. How is he stronger than us?
You finally did it, but it's too late! Get out of here!
Down you go. What? Now for the finisher. Here it comes.
Take this!
Buy you.
That was for the friends of mine you killed. And this? This is for Gohan! You're finished! Phew. It's over. I finally did it, everyone. Wait, not yet. There's still one thing left.
3 years later, with 17 and 18 gone, people have begun to rebuild cities and towns that were ravaged by the androids. Trunks was eager to inform those in the past of his success, so with the time machine fully charged, he prepared for another trip.
All right, Mom, I'm off.
Have a safe trip, Trunks. Tell everyone I said hi.
Sure. You need to leave, Mom. Head somewhere safe.
Huh? Oh, okay.
I know you're over there. Cell. What? You plan on killing me, then traveling to the past to absorb androids 17 and 18 and obtain your perfect form. How? How could you possibly know that? Your plan's going to fail, because I'm going to finish you off once and for all. My plan's going to fail, is it? Well, you're awfully cocky. Cell, your perfect form was insanely strong. There's no doubt about that. But as you are now, I'm more than enough to destroy you. Oh, I get it. So you went back to the past. I see. That's why you know so much. Such a sneaky guy. But I have to say, I'm surprised to hear you say you can destroy me.
Trunks. I have plenty of data on you thanks to my spy robots. You idiots! You don't have enough power to lay a finger on androids.
Oh? Then why aren't 17 and 18 around anymore?
What? Impossible. So you're the reason the two of them are gone. It's because of you!
We're not fighting here in West City. People have worked too hard to rebuild. I'm taking this fight somewhere else. Ha! Cell, I'm going to defeat you and put an end to all of this. Okay, they look pretty weak. He hasn't transformed yet. This is my chance. Okay, they look pretty weak. I can't let him travel to the past. Okay, they look pretty weak.